Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul, and then we'll go into some fall crafts made with items that Dollar Tree has in stock right now. I had a big fall shopping trip, so let's see what you can get for $67 at Dollar Tree. There were so many cute fall items for crafting, and you'll see a lot of that being used in my next few videos. So which item should we start with? Let's start with this large pumpkin wreath form and that white microfiber cloth, which you can find in the automotive section at Dollar Tree. That cloth was just the right size to fit over the pumpkin wreath form. I went section by section, just getting the cloth glued into place on the wreath form. This is such a nice soft cloth, but you could use any type of fabric for this part. Felt or a thin fabric would work nicely on here. If it has a little stretch to it, then it'll make this part easier because you can maneuver and tug the fabric a bit if you need to. This video is part of a collab with a small group of friends. If you love Dollar Tree, you will love all the great fall ideas we've put together on the playlist. I'll make sure to link that below so you can get even more inspiration from these talented women after you finish my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Maria, and I love sharing crafts and home DIYs. My passion is creativity, and I believe everyone is an artist in their own way, and that's why I share ideas to help you find that creative part of your soul and express it in your own unique way. Please consider subscribing if you like home decor inspiration so you can be part of this uplifting and creative community here on Artsy Cupcake. Oh, and these are my new scissors. I just got them and I'm loving them. They are made to be more ergonomically friendly, and this is great if you have arthritis or any other hand or wrist issue. They're really comfortable to use, and I'll link them in the description box below in case you're interested. Next, I trimmed the excess fabric off and folded the edges over the back and glued everything in place. For the pumpkin stem, I grabbed some of that Dollar Tree twine and I wrapped this around and around that top. I loved this checkered ribbon for my fall crafts today, and it was the only one I saw at Dollar Tree, so I snatched it right up. I'm making a bow for right under the stem. There are so many pretty fall florals at Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use these since I was so excited to find such large florals. They have clips on the back so you could clip them right onto the fabric or glue them in place. I ended up adding a few more florals with these to finish up the look. I grabbed a few of these easel back signs. They are little chalkboards, and they even come with a piece of chalk, but I will be painting these with white spray paint, so I will hang on to that chalk for another day. Let's use 3 of those easels and have it say fall is here. I'll have this printable on my blog, artsycupcake.com, in case you want the free download. In this project, I'll share some tips to get a custom sign look if you don't own a Cricut or other cutting machine. On one of the easels, I want to have a pumpkin, so I'm going to disassemble these because this will fit perfectly on that easel. I added some of these 3D rounded stickers around the edge, and then I'm going to give this a coat of white spray paint. Since the middle sign will have the pumpkin, I think I will dress up the other 2 easels with some bows. I traced the signs and then trimmed them out with an X-Acto knife, and then I rounded the edges with some scissors. a little Super 77, and these signs fit perfectly. If you're printing something and applying it to a sign, try to make the backgrounds similar colors. Since I painted those easels white, if there is a slight error when I stick down the sign, it wouldn't show because the sign is also a light color. Spray painting that easel also helped hide any darkness, so there wouldn't be any show through of the black chalkboard through the white paper. And that's especially helpful if you have thin paper that you're using. These rub-on transfers are also great if you don't have a Cricut. They come in so many different fonts and words and themes and colors. I just want the word is for our middle sign, so I'm going to carefully cut that out so I don't mess up any of the other words, because I'll want to use these for future projects. All you have to do now is press and then peel off the plastic, and you can't even see the edges. I just love these things. We'll be using this sign I found at Dollar Tree in their fall section, and I really like the faux wood design that it has on the edges. I'm measuring the inside of that black frame so I can create a sign for the middle part. I created two versions and had a hard time deciding between orange and white, but I ended up going with the lighter one, and I'll put both versions on my blog. I always use gloves when working with Super 77 because that stuff is potent. It gets the job done, but it will also be on your hands for the rest of the day if you don't use a glove. I'm going to take this outside and give it a light coat before smoothing it down. I loved the little wheat branches that I found at Dollar Tree. I'd never seen those before, and I decided I would use these as part of the sign to give it a bit of dimension. I added a bow so it would match the other decor we created. These little pumpkins used to have clips on them, but I took those off and painted them white. I also gave the brown stems a touch up with my Sharpie paint pen so that they would be black to match our sign. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every week, and check out that playlist below for more Dollar Tree fall DIYs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!